So hello my dear students, in previous class we have to solve the exercise number 1.3 in first question, okay. In this class we have to study the second question, okay. You know that 1 divided by 7 value is 1 divided by 7 value is 0.142142,857, okay. This is a non-terminating recurring expansion, okay, because the bar is here. That's why this number of blocks are repeating continuously. Can you predict what the decimal expansion of these numbers are without actually doing a long division? Okay, without long doing division, we have to find this decimal expansion. First, 1 divided by 7. This is 2 by 7 is equal to 1 into 1 divided by 7. You can write like this. 2 by 7 we can write like this. Yes, because the value of 2 by 7 is equal to 2 into 1 by 7, because 2 into 1 2 by 7, okay. So that's why it is equal to 2 into the value of 1 by 7. The value of 1 by 7 is 0.142857. Is it right? Repeating expansion formula. Is it right? So next 3 by 7 is equal to 3 by 7 is equal to or first you have to solve the value of 2 by 7, okay, is equal to 2 sevens are 14. So 4 right here, okay, 1 is remaining. Next 2 fives are 10. Is it right? 10 plus 1 11. So 1 remaining is here. 2 eights are 16. 16 plus 1 17. 7 and 1 is here. 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Okay, the is cancel. Next 2 fours are 8. So write 8 here. Is it right? Next 2 ones are 2. Okay, 8 point here. And 2 into 0 0. This is repeating term. So here 2 by 7 value is 0.285714. Is it right? Next 3 sevens are is equal to 3 into 1 by 7 is equal to 3 into 142,857 repeating term. So is equal to 3 sevens are 21. 1 is here. So 2 remaining. Is it right? Yeah. 3 fives are 15. 15 plus 2 17. So remaining 1. Next 3 eights are 24. 24 plus 1 5. It's 25. So 2 is remaining. Is it right? Next 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 2 8. Remaining at cancel. 3 fours are 12. 1 is remaining. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1 4. Take point here and 0. This is the value of 3 by 7. Is it right? Next 4 by 7. 4 by 7 is equal to here 4 into 1 divided by 7 is equal to 4 into 0.142857 meaning term. Is it right? So now the 4 by 7 value of 4 by 7, value of 5 by 7 and value of 6 by 7 you have to solve in at your home, okay. Now we have to move to the next question, question number 3. Is it right? Okay, this is question number 3, exercise number 1.3. Okay. Express the following in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are the integers and Q is not equal to 0. Means it is a rational number. Okay. So 0.6 bar. 0.6 bar means, which means 0.666. Okay, so on. 0.6 bar means 0.666. It is a non-terminating recurring expansion form. Is it right? So next here, take x is equal to 0.6. Okay. Next here, 10x is equal to 6.666. Is it right? So 10x means multiple of 10 means one decimal point move right hand side from the 1 means it is 6.666. Is it right? So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Subtract equation number 1 and 2. Subtract equation number 1 and 2. So here 10x minus x, 9x is equal to 10x minus x, 10x minus x, 9x. Next, 6 minus 6, 6 minus 0 minus 6. See here, 6 minus 6, 6 minus 0 minus 6, 6. So 0, 0 and 6 means here is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 by 9. Is it right? Next, x is equal to 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 2 divided by 3. It is in the form of P by Q and Q is not equal to 0. Is it right? Next question. See here. 0.47 bar. 0.47 bar. Only bar on the 7 number only. Okay. So therefore, it is the value of 0.47 bar means 0.47777. So like this. Is it right? So next here, x is equal to 0.4777. Therefore, 10x is equal to 4.777. Is it right? Is it right? So next here, 10x is equal to 4 plus 7 by 9. 4 plus 7 by 9. Because the 4 plus 7 by 9, the value of 4 plus 7 by 9 is equal to the value of 4.777. Is it right? So that's why we have to write like this. Is it right? Next, here 10x is equal to 1 and 9 is LCM is 9. And next 9 into 4, 36 plus 7. Is it right? So here 10x is equal to 36 plus 7, 30. Next 3 and 1, 4. So 43. 43 divided by 9. So next, x is equal to 43 divided by 10 into 9, 90. So x is equal to 43 by 9. X is equal to 0.477. Okay. It is equal to x is equal to 43 by 90. It is in the form of P by Q and Q is not equal to 0. Is it right? Next, move towards third question. Okay. 0.001 bar means these three. Okay. The bar is on 3 digits. Means these three number of blocks are repeating continuously. Which means here 0.001, 001, 001. So on, like that. Is it right? So therefore here x is equal to 0.001, 001. Okay, so on. So now we have to multiply on both sides into 100. in these two questions now we multiply with 10 on both sides. Is it right? Say here 10x means multiply 10 on both sides. Here also 10 on both sides. But in case of this question, we have to multiply 100. Right? 100 on both sides. 100x is equal to, so 3 digit. Okay. After 3 digit, give 1 point. So it becomes 1.001, 001, so on. Is it right? Next. Next here, now 100x is equal to 100x is equal to so here x is equal to 0.000 means here 0.00001 means there is 3 decimal points. Okay, so 3 decimal points means here now we have to multiply 100 and 1000. Okay, here 1000 because we have to shift this decimal point after 3 digits. Okay, 1, 2, 3 means we have to give here 30. 1, 2, 3, which means 1000. Okay, so now here 1000x is equal to 1.001001. So this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. Now subtract equation number 1 and 2. So 1000x minus x, 999x is equal to 1.001001 minus 0.0010010. So therefore here 1.001001 so on and 0.0010010 so on, which gives rise 1.000, which means our answer is 1. Now we can easily find the value of x. X is equal to 1 divided by 999. It is also in the form of k by q and q is not equal to 0. Okay, is it clear? So we shall stop here. Okay, and in next class we have to solve exercise number 1.3, question number 4. Okay, thank you.